Hi Lance, good morning. Today is a very special day for shoppers because it's Boxing Day, and of course we're gonna do some shopping today. That's why I am ready to go out. I am just gonna fix my hair. I'll see you guys later. Alright, update. I'm here sa Queen Street and we're actually heading to Dior. We're gonna buy something for myself. I'm really excited. I'm actually looking for this one, but the shiny one. This is size 35 and that is.
This is 36. Do you think you want to compare with the plus?
I think it's too tight. But I think I like this one. Which one looks good? The fabric or this?
The fabric.
Yes. I think I like the shiny one. I think I'm just gonna get this. I became speechless when I saw the price, but I'm happy. Cute baby.
You're welcome.
Here's my Dior. Oh my god, I'm so excited to wear that one. Can't wait to unbox. So, I got my favorite chorro here in Queen Street. So, we are now heading to our movie because we are gonna watch the new Aquaman. And the good thing here is that my partner bought the gold class. I'm really excited. I'm getting pineapple juice. You want orange? We are now here in the lodge. We're just waiting for our movie to start. It's about 20 minutes from now, so we're just gonna chill here in the lodge. So we're heading to our movie now. Hey guys, we are now walking here in Queen Street. We're actually heading to our dinner. So we're gonna have our dinner here at the Breed's Kitchen. Let's go inside. We are now ordering our food. I don't know what you got. This is our entry. Alright, our main dish just arrived and I'm so excited to eat now. Good morning! Today is January 1. Our first vacation this 2024. We are heading to Coromandel for the second time. Sobrang na-in-love kami nung pumunta kami dito nung last Christmas. Kaya we decided na we wanna go back here. So I will bring you guys to our journey today. Cute! Hello! We are here at Stuart and the pig. I'm not sure if you guys can see the pig, but there's somewhere there eating. I'm gonna show you the little piglet. It's so cute. It's actually very hard to catch them, but I have one pig beside me. She's eating. So cute. Alright, update. So we just arrived here at Otama Beach. We just finished setting up our beach chair and our tent. It's kind of windy today. Alright, so I'm wearing my bikini right now. It's freaking hot, but the wind is very cold. I'm gonna swim now and I'll see you guys later. So today is 2nd of January. Our agenda today is we're gonna visit a lavender farm. We are at CCT Lavender and Farm. I'll bring you guys with me. So we just bought our ticket and it cost $15 each, including the pick your own lavender. So this is the view inside the CCT Lavender. It's so huge. I'm about to pick my own lavender. I got some paper bag and a scissor. Oh my god, there are so many bees flying around. I bought an ice cream and it cost $6. Thank you. I am going to try their lavender ice cream here. Tastes like lavender and it also smells like lavender. It tastes so good. Worth it. So that's it for today's itinerary. I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's the 3rd day of the year and we are here now at Good Planet. We're gonna pick some strawberries and of course I'll bring you guys with me. So we are on a line now and these are the price list for strawberry picking. So we just got our strawberry bucket and then we're gonna ride this bus heading to the other field. This is their strawberry farm. It's so huge actually, but it's so crowded right now as you can see. We're almost finished picking up some strawberries and we're gonna try their strawberry here. So sweet. They're so good. So after picking our strawberry, now we are trying their bestseller ice cream. Tastes so good. Hey humans! Good morning! Time check, it's 9:30 a.m. and we are here inside the ferry. We are heading to Waiheke Island. I am so excited and I'll see you guys there. We are here, just landed. Alright, update, we just landed here in Waiheke. So we are in the bus right now, heading to our lunch reservation. Wow, look at that view, guys. So we are now here in Mudbrick Restaurant. Let's see what's inside. We are now choosing our lunch. Our food just arrived. Oh my god, I'm so freaking hungry. Look at that. It's so yummy. Bon appetit. I want to show you guys this view. It's so beautiful. Wow. So we're going to the stop 5, which is the Stony Ridge Vineyard. So we are walking right now. We are heading to Stony Ridge. We're gonna try some wine there. It actually rained a while ago, but good thing the weather is pretty good right now. I hope it will stay like this, so fingers crossed. Honey, I'm running out of breath. Finally, we're here. Woo. So we're gonna do some wine tasting today, the premium wine tasting. So I hope we're gonna like it. Smell this one. Hello, so we are inside a souvenir shop and I'm planning to buy this one. I'm just gonna stick this on our fridge and hopefully this year makauwi ako. I'll bring this in the Philippines. So done with our travel vlog. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
I like me better when I'm with you. I like me better when I'm with you.